What is your problem, sir? Huh? What is your problem? You okay? What's wrong? Gizmo. My way. Gizmo. What? What's wrong? What? Because I'm not paying attention to you, young man? Huh? Go to sleep already. It's not nighttime. Okay? No more playtime. Yeah. There. That's all you get. Oh, you come and nibble on me, you little donkey.